Hello everyone, this is Yasin. Today I'm in Silivri Kapı where I want to show you a gate from the Theodosian walls. It is called the Gate of Selembria or Silivri. It took this name as it was located on the route leading to Selembria. It also had another name in the Eastern Roman time. It was called Porta Pigi, which means the Gate of the Spring, and this name comes from the road that takes you to the Church of St. Mary of the Spring. The gate was restored in 1987 and the upper sections were reconstructed. If I have to be honest, it was not a very good restoration work and it even looks weird today. By the way, there are some inscriptions from both Eastern Roman and Ottoman time around this gate, but I will explain them all in another video. Thank you guys for watching the video. See you next time.